X squared plus y squared equals 25 has tangents at the point A and B. The point A has coordinate of 0, 5, and the point B has coordinate of 3, -4. The tangents meet at the point P. Work out the coordinates of point P. First thing we've got to do is find the equations of these two tangents. Okay, you weren't given this, sorry. You weren't given that thing there. We'll start with that one. You find the equation of these two tangents, and then we want to see, put them equal and find where they intersect. So the tangent at the point A, which is clearly on your y-axis, at your y-axis, this thing, first of all, x squared plus y squared equals 25 is a circle with center 0, 0, and radius equal to the square root of 25, so the radius equal to 5. So at 0, 5, this is where we are. My radius is going straight up because I've gone 5 up, so perpendicular to it, then that means my tangent is perpendicular. So this is my equation. If it's going through this point 5, this is just y equals 5. So that's how this person who asked me this question managed to get that y equals 5. Next thing then we need to do is find the equation of this tangent at B, and B is the point 3, -4. Now to do this, we are using our circle theorems. One of our circle theorems says the angle between a tangent and a radius is 90 degrees. So if we can find the gradient of this radius, so we can find this gradient, so we then can find the gradient of the tangent by doing the negative reciprocal. So the gradient of that radius is y difference over x difference, so -4 minus 0, because the origin is 0, 0, and 3 minus 0, which is just -4 over 3. Therefore, the gradient of the tangent is equal to 3 over 4. So that's a negative reciprocal. So I'm going to look at my tangent and I'll look at it down here. Tangent is a y equals mx, it's a straight line, sorry, so it's y equals mx plus c. We know our m was 3 over 4, and then we can just sub in the point, 3 minus 4, so far it in you'll have -4 is equal to 3 over 4 times 3 plus c, which is -4 is equal to whatever that's going to be, 9 over 4, and 9 over 4 plus c. And then I'm doing this as if it's non-calculated. I'm not too sure what paper this was on. I was sent this one. So that's going to be -6 and 1/4 is equal to your c. So y is equal to 3 over 4x, 3 over 4x minus 6 and 1/4. Okay, that is your other tangent. So you've got that as a tangent. And remember, you had this as a tangent as well. So what you want to do is just put those two equations equal. So put y equal to y. So one of your y's was 5. The other one was 3 over 4. X minus 6 and 1/4. And then you want to see where they meet then. So you want to bring all the stuff to one side. I'll say that's going to be 11 and 1/4 is equal to 3/4 x. Lovely bit of non-calculator work here. Make this thing here top heavy. So multiply 11 by 4, you get 44, plus 1, you get 45 over 4 is equal to 3 over 4x. You could change that then to multiply everything by 4, so just 45 equals 3x. 45 divided by 3 is equal to x, and x works out to be 15. And when x equals 15, remember it's on this line. It's on this line, so when x equals 15, your y is going to be 5. So it's on your horizontal line, y equals 5, so that's all it's going to be. So your answer, the point where they meet, is that what we're looking for to find? P, yep. Point we're trying to meet, P is going to be 15, 5.